You were forgiven, not replaced. The life you try to fix already died. You were forgiven, not replaced. Stop carrying what the cross erased. You were forgiven, not replaced. You still live like you must prove, like the old life still owns you. But that life already ended at the cross, it was removed. You still fight inside your soul, trying hard to stay in control. But the life you're searching for is already living in you. You keep asking for more strength when the strength is not the way. You were raised with Christ already, but you still live like you stay. You seek peace through effort, you seek rest through the mind. But the Spirit keeps reminding this life is no longer mine. You are forgiven, not replaced. The life you try to fix already died. You were forgiven, not replaced. Stop carrying what the cross erased. You were forgiven, not replaced. You want heaven without dying, resurrection without the cross. You want Christ to help your old self, but that self was already lost. You don't need to try harder, you don't need another way. You just need to stop resisting what was finished yesterday. It's not you living for Him, it's Him living through you. It's not effort, it's surrender. It's not doing, it's true. You are forgiven, not replaced. The old life ended in His grave. You were forgiven, not replaced. A new life rose alive.